Hi there, I'm going to show you a little bit about how the items module works. So the items module allows you to put items for sale or items that are not for sale, perhaps a calendar event, onto your page. Now, this is what it will look like when you start populating the items. I will go ahead and click into the items module so you can see what that looks like. You do have a section where you can put in a header if you want to, but that is not required. You can also make the status of this module active or inactive if you want it to show, as well as whether or not you want to display or hide this module. Now you can see in the items that we've already created, you'll see the product name, the date that the item is for sale. You don't have to display this, but you can if you want to. The time, if you choose a time for it, the price of the product, if there is a price associated with the product, as well as a quantity limit if there is one. You're also able to reorder the products by just dragging them around the screen. And then in the top right-hand corner, you have the option to edit this item, deactivate it. You can copy it if you want. You can add to a cart link if you would like to. And then I will show you real quickly how to add more dates. So if you add more dates to this item, you're just going to go ahead and answer yes. It will pull up a calendar. You're going to choose every date that applies to this particular event. Scroll down and hit create items. And you'll now see that all of the dates that I've added in now display. Now to add an item, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the module and select the add item button. You'll choose whether or not the item is for sale. If it's not for sale, then it's just going to show up as a calendar event and someone will be able to add it to their event calendar or the Outlook calendar if they'd like to. So let's go ahead and just say this item is for sale. We can find this in the product library and I'll go ahead and do that, or you can add a new product on the fly. Once you're done there, hit select. You can also edit the product from this section or select a different product. You can also add a date if that's applicable. So let's just say this is valid on March 24th. And I'm choosing not to put a time. So you can hit save and close when you're done with that. Or if you want to save and add another item, you can do that as well. So I'm going to hit save and close. And you'll see this at the bottom, that product that we added. So it's showing as the child's meal. We put down March 24th and that product was $3 and there was no quantity. So it's showing as unlimited. You'll also see in the left-hand corner what type of product it is. This has a little flame, which means it's just a Sapphire Commerce item. And that's it. That's how you set up your items for both items for sale as well as items that are not for sale and are just additional dates.